Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a new Snapchat after being banned. So if your older account is banned by the Snapchat due to unauthorized activities and now you want to create another Snapchat account, how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to uninstall your Snapchat application. Once you will uninstall it, after that you have to open your Play Store and go to the Snapchat, go to the search bar and you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will do it, now download Snapchat from here, and after that you have to open your browser. Once you will do it, now from here you have to search for the Gmail sign up. So you have to create another Google account from here. Once you will do it, now go back. After creating a Gmail account, open your Snapchat and create your new account. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.